Dilip KM has retired as Director Animal Husbandry Department Kerala on 31st May 2021. A native of Kottayam district, he has adorned many key positions during his meticulous career as the Director Animal Husbandry Department Kerala, Director Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biologicals Palod, Additional Director Animal Husbandry and Vigilance Animal Husbandry Department Kerala, District Animal Husbandry Officer, District Mission Coordinator Kudumbashree, and Deputy Project Director Atma Agriculture Department. He was also the President of the service organization Kerala Gazetted Officers Association and is very active in many social activities even now. Professor Dr. K. Devada has retired as Professor and University Head of Veterinary Parasitology from College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences Mannuthi on 11th of March 2021. Dr. Devada, a native of Thrissur, was born to Sri P. Prabhakara Menon and Srimati K. Kochammani in 1961. Madam completed her schooling in Sacred Heart Convent and pre-degree in St. Mary's College, Thrissur. She belongs to the 1979 batch of BVSC and has joined as Junior Assistant Professor in 1986 in the Department of Veterinary Parasitology. She has acquired her doctoral degree from Madras Veterinary College. Her multitude of job affiliations and responsibilities were as Officer in Charge Clinical Lab, University Veterinary Hospital, Kokkale from 1995 to 2000, Head of the Department of Veterinary Parasitology, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Mannuthi from June 2011 onwards, Director, Academics and Research, Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University from 2014 to 2017, and presently she is the President of the Indian Association for the Advancement of Veterinary Parasitology. She has initiated the studies on Toxoplasma gondii and Neospora caninum for the first time in Kerala. She is the recipient of many awards like Dr. M.N. Parameshwaran Prize for the Best Outgoing Student for MVSC, Dr. G. Nirmalan Award and Professor B.V. Rao Gold Medal for Best Research Articles, Fellow of National Academy of Veterinary Sciences since 2017, and she has also received the Fellow Award of Indian Association for the Advancement of Veterinary Parasitology in 2018. Dr. Devada is married to Advocate Radhakrishnan and is blessed with a son, Rupak, and daughter-in-law, Parvati. ഡോക്ടർ വി കെ പി മോഹൻകുമാർ 2021 മെയ് 31 വെറ്ററിനറി ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽ വട്ടക്കുളത്തുനിന്ന് സീനിയർ വെറ്ററിനറി സർജൻ ആയി വിരമിച്ചു. മണ്ണുത്തി വെറ്ററിനറി കോളേജിൽ 1984 വർഷ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയായി പഠിച്ച അദ്ദേഹം 1990 സർക്കാർ സർവീസിൽ പ്രവേശിച്ചത്. മലപ്പുറം ജില്ലയിലെ പറമ്പിൽ പീടികയിൽ നിന്ന് തുടക്കമിട്ട ആ സർവീസ് യാത്ര 31 വർഷം പിന്നിട്ട് വട്ടക്കുളത്ത് സമാപിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇതിനിടയിൽ വേങ്ങര, തിരൂരങ്ങാടി, കാലടി, മലപ്പുറം ജില്ലാ ആശുപത്രി, ഈശ്വരമംഗലം എന്നിവിടങ്ങളിലും സേവനമനുഷ്ഠിച്ചു. എന്നാൽ 2004 മുതൽ വെറ്ററിനറി സർജനായും സീനിയർ വെറ്ററിനറി സർജനായും അധിക ചുമതലയിലുമായി നീണ്ട 17 വർഷം തുടർച്ചയായി വട്ടക്കുളത്തും സേവനമനുഷ്ഠിച്ചു. 2 തവണ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ തേടിയെത്തിയ ഗുഡ് സർവീസ് എൻട്രി ആ പ്രവർത്തന മികവിനുള്ള അംഗീകാരം ആയിരുന്നു. വെറ്ററിനറി കോളേജ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥി സംഘടനാ രംഗത്തും തുടർന്ന് സർവീസ് പ്രൊഫഷണൽ മേഖലകളിലും അദ്ദേഹം ഉജ്ജ്വല പ്രഭാവത്തോടെ പ്രവർത്തിച്ചു. ജില്ലാ തലത്തിലും സംസ്ഥാന തലത്തിലും പല കുറി സംഘടനാ ഭാരവാഹിത്വം നിർവഹിച്ച വി കെ പി ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്ത്യൻ വെറ്ററിനറി അസോസിയേഷൻ സംസ്ഥാന ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറിയാണ്. 2016 കേരള വെറ്ററിനറിയൻസ് സർവീസ് അസോസിയേഷൻ എന്ന സംഘടനയുടെ രൂപീകരണത്തിൽ മുഖ്യ പങ്കുവഹിക്കുകയും 2018 വർഷത്തിൽ സംസ്ഥാന പ്രസിഡന്റിൻ്റെ ചുമതല നിർവഹിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. സഹധർമ്മിണി MES കോളേജ് പൊന്നാനിയിലെ പ്രൊഫസർ ആയ ഡോക്ടർ ജ്യോതി മോഹൻ ആണ്. ഏകമകൾ മാനസി മോഹൻ MDS വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാണ്. Dr. Rani K. Umman, retired as Joint Director, Animal Husbandry Department, Kerala, on 31st of January 2021. Madam belongs to 1982 batch of BVSC and has joined as veterinary surgeon in 1988 in Niranam Duck Farm. Dr. Rani is married to Mr. George Umman. Dr. Ritesh Kumar is retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon, Ochira, on 31st of January 2021. A native of Karunagapalli, Dr. Ritesh Kumar is a 1984 batch graduate from Veterinary College Mannuthi. He is a renowned practitioner and a farmer-friendly veterinarian too. He is married to Mrs. Talu and is blessed with 2 daughters, Bhavika and Gauri. Dr. Terence B. Remedy has retired as Additional Director, Animal Husbandry and Vigilance on 1st of January 2021. He is a resident of Thiruvananthapuram and belongs to 1982 admission BVSC batch from Madras Veterinary College. He has served as veterinary surgeon at Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biological Spaload from 1988 to 1996 and has took charge as director of the same institute in August 2020. Further, he held the additional charge as Registrar Kerala State Veterinary Council and joined as the Additional Director, Animal Husbandry and Vigilance from December 2020 onwards. Dr. T. Prakash has retired as Joint Director RE Palakkad on 1st of January 2021. Dr. Prakash has graduated from Bidar Veterinary College, Karnataka in 1989 and joined service as veterinary surgeon at Veterinary Dispensary Kanyikoda in 1989. Continued to work there till 2000 when posted to RP headquarters as veterinary surgeon. He was promoted as Assistant Director, Regional Poultry Farm, Malampuzha in 2001 and further he was posted back to RP as Assistant Rinderpest Officer in 2003 and worked there till 2007. During this tenure, he also held the charge of Joint Director RP and from 2007 to 11 was posted back to RPF Malampuzha, during which time was also in charge of LMTC for a short while. In 2011, he was posted back to RP again as ARO. In 2018, he was promoted as Deputy Director to the Directorate at Thiruvananthapuram. He was transferred to the Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biological Spaload as Research Officer Bacterial Vaccine. During this period, he held the post of CDIO for a short period. Later, he was promoted as Joint Director RP and posted to the Home District Palakkad with a service spanning 31 years. Dr. Prakash is married to Rekha, Assistant Professor, Mercy College, Palakkad. He is blessed with 2 boys, Elder Gautam, employed as Deputy Manager, Future Generally, and younger Uttam, a student of class 12. Dr. T.G. Unnikrishnan has retired as Additional Director SLBP on 1st January 2021. He joined the Animal Husbandry Department in 1991, served as Veterinary Surgeon till 1998, as Assistant Director till 2016, further as Deputy Director at Palakkad and Idukki, and Joint Director at Kasaragod. Further, he became the Registrar Kerala State Veterinary Council and retired as Additional Director SLBP. He is married to Srimati Usha, working as HSA. His son is Dr. Pranav Ramkrishna, daughter is Bhagyalakshmi Unnikrishnan, and Dr. Anju is the daughter-in-law. Dr. Krishna Kumar Ji retired as the Deputy Director from the Animal Husbandry Department of Kerala on 28th of February 2021. A native of Ernakulam district, he belongs to the 1982 batch of BVSc and AH from CVAS Mannothi. He completed MVSc in Animal Reproduction and joined in Animal Husbandry Department on 1991, and he has 30 years of service in the department. He is married to Dr. Indu B. Lecturer and is blessed with a daughter Kajal Krishna. Dr. Ramesh K. has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon from Veterinary Hospital Ambalappuzha on 28th of February 2021. A resident of Alappuzha district, he served in Milma for 4 years and joined in Animal Husbandry Department in 1993 as Veterinary Surgeon, Veterinary Dispensary Punnapra, Alappuzha. He got promoted as Senior Veterinary Surgeon, Veterinary Hospital Papinisheri, Kannur, and later returned to Alappuzha and retired on 28th of February. He is married to Srimati Sujata R., Dairy Extension Officer. His daughter Akshata R., Probationary Officer, BOI. Son Akshay R., CA student. Dr. S. Jyotilakshmi has retired as Deputy Director from SLBP Headquarters, Trivandrum, on 28th of February 2021. Residing in Thrissur, Dr. Jyotilakshmi is belonging to the 1984 batch of BVSc and AH from the Veterinary College, Mannothi. Her elder son is doing MS in Germany, and her younger daughter is a house surgeon at Bijapur. Dr. Asha Abraham is retired as Assistant Director from Duck Hatchery and Training Institute, Tiruvalla, on 31st of March 2021. A native of Alappuzha, she joined the Animal Husbandry Department of Kerala in 1990 and promoted as Assistant Director in 2009. Dr. Ishwarapilla B. has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon on 31st of March 2021. Hailing from Neyatinkara, he is a first batch student in 1985 from Namakkal Veterinary College. He joined as Veterinary Officer in Milma in 1991 and then joined as Veterinary Surgeon in Animal Husbandry Department, Kerala in 1993. He is married to Srimati Shaila and has 2 sons, Bhagavat, an engineering graduate, and Dhanush Ram, an MBBS student. Dr. Raju KG has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon from Veterinary Hospital, Kalavur, on 31st of March 2021. A native of Alappuzha, his service started as a veterinary surgeon in Kuttipuram Veterinary Dispensary. He also served in Regional Poultry Farm, Adavanad. He got transferred to his home district, Alappuzha, later. His better half is Srimati Jayalekha T., a BTech graduate. He is blessed with a son, Ashwin, and a daughter, Ashita. Dr. Suresh T. Ornadi has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon, Veterinary Polyclinic, Perambra, Kozhikode, on 31st of March 2021. Dr. Suresh belongs to 1986 batch of BVSc and AH from Veterinary College, Mannothi. He started his career as Veterinary Surgeon from Veterinary Dispensary, Thekkumkutti. He is married to Srimati Sujata. Dr. Surya S. has retired as Standardization Officer from Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biologicals on 31st of March 2021. A native of Trivandrum, Dr. Surya belongs to 1982 batch of BVSc and AH from Veterinary College, Mannothi. She joined the Animal Husbandry Department in 1988 at Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biologicals and transferred to Disease-Free Zone Unit, Nedumangad, in 1994. After 3 years, joined RAIC, Nedumangad, in 1997 and again joined back to IAH and VB in 2000 as the Assistant Research Officer. Later became the Standardization Officer. She is married to Dr. R. Radhakrishna Pillai and has 2 sons, both married and working in IT field. Dr. J.P. Chiriyankandathu has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon from the Veterinary Hospital Mannamangalam on 30th of April 2021. Hailing from Aranattukara, he belongs to the 1984 batch of Veterinary College Mannuthi. He joined Animal Husbandry Department in October 1990 as Veterinary Surgeon Calf Feed Program, Palakkad District. Later worked at Veterinary Dispensary Perimbilavu, Puranattukara, Parappur, Arimbur and Engandiyur. Then promoted as Senior Veterinary Surgeon in the year 2009 to Veterinary Hospital Agali. Later worked at Veterinary Hospital Pattambi and Amballur and later at Mannamangalam. Better half is Mrs. Lajja and she is a teacher. Elder son Joseph has completed B.Tech Engineering. Dr. Jayachandran S. has retired as Joint Director from SLBP Headquarters Trivandrum on 30th of April 2021. Residing at Trivandrum, he is an alumni of 1982 batch at Veterinary College Mannuthi. He has completed MBSc in Extension in 1991 and entered HD service in the same year. He worked at IAH and VB Palod, Veterinary Dispensary Murukumpuzha and Veterinary Dispensary Kuttichal. He has worked as SVS DVC Malappuram, APO RAIC Cherthala and RAIC Attingal, SVS Veterinary Hospital Neyyatingara, Assistant Director LMTC Kudapanakunna and Deputy Project Officer Atma Thiruvananthapuram. Then he was promoted as Deputy Director and posted at LMTC Kudapanakunna. Later he was promoted to Joint Director SLBP Headquarters Trivandrum. He is married to Srimadi Asha Raj, Agricultural Officer, Agricultural Department. His elder son Rahul Chandra is doing MSc Agriculture at Andhra Pradesh and the younger son Akash Chandra is a first year MBBS student at Jipmar, Pondicherry. Dr. Leiby Pauline has retired as Director from Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biological Palod on 30th April 2021. Dr. Leiby is residing now in Ernakulam with her husband Dr. Joy K.A. who has been a retired senior veterinary surgeon. Dr. S. James has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon from District Veterinary Center, Thiruvananthapuram on 30th April 2021. He joined duty at the Mobile Veterinary Dispensary Kannur in 1992. He worked at IAH and VB Palod, VD Venkulam, Kadinamkulam, SLBP Parashala, Kazhakuttam, VD Kadagampalli, CDIO Palod, VH Koithur Konam, RAHC Trivandrum and DVC Trivandrum. He is married to Mrs. Shalini, working at Kerala PSC office Thiruvananthapuram and is blessed with a son Devadyut, a 4th year MBBS student at PSG Medical College Coimbatore and a daughter Devananda who is a +2 student. Dr. Sheila K. has retired as Additional Director SLBP Headquarters Thiruvananthapuram on 30th of April 2021. A resident now at Thiruvananthapuram, Dr. Sheila has entered service in 1988 as Research Assistant at IAH and VB Palod. She has 33 years of service to her credit. Her husband is an architect retired from Town Planning Department as Additional Chief Town Planner and is now working as Professor, College of Architecture, Thiruvananthapuram. Dr. Sridevi has retired as Assistant Director and Editor Farm News from the Farm Information Bureau, Thiruvananthapuram on 30th April 2021. Dr. Sudhir Khan is retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon on 30th of April 2021. His better half is an Executive Engineer, Kerala State Electricity Board. K. Kurivila has retired as Deputy Director and the State Epidemiologist from ADCP Headquarters, Thiruvananthapuram on 30th of April 2021. Residing at Irinjalakuda, she belongs to 1984 batch of BVSC and AH at CVAS Mannuthi. She has joined the Animal Husbandry Department as Veterinary Surgeon Calf Feed Subsidy Scheme, Ambalappuzha in 1990. She has worked as Veterinary Surgeon SLBP Chalakudi, VS Muriyad, SLBP Minnamkulam and as VS in Karalam and Kattur. She was promoted as Deputy Director and joined at ADCP Headquarters as the State Epidemiologist in 2021. She is married to Sri Anton K. Thomas and has a daughter, Dr. Shilpa Teresa Anton of Little Flower Hospital, Angamali. Her son-in-law is Dr. Anish C. Augustine of Lourdes Hospital, Ernakulam. Dr. Tito Joseph has retired as District Coordinator ADCP Kasaragod on 30th of April 2021. Being a resident of Kasaragod, he has strengthened DDVC Lab Kanjangad and was one of the main organizers of Nileshwar AH Mela in 2008. He has played an active role in getting the Indian President's Bhumi Jal Samvardhan Award to Madagai Grama Panchayat by implementing Western Ghat watershed projects. He also implemented Operation Monkey Home project for transferring 58 monkeys from residential area to Karnataka forest. He received Good Service Entry in 2012 for identifying the presence of leopards there. He has a daughter, Dr. Sheetal Anupama Tittu. Dr. Velayudan VP is retired as Research Officer of Bacterial Vaccine at Institute of Animal Health at Veterinary Biologicals Palodu on 30th of April 2021. A native of Vattiyoorkavu, he joined in Animal Husbandry Department as Veterinary Surgeon, Pig Farm Parashala. Later he worked at Veterinary Dispensary Uchakada, Vaikam, Chemmaruthi, ADCP, VH Adimali, IAH and VB Palodu and at Directorate of Animal Husbandry as DD. He is married to Srimati Ajita Kumari BM, working as Assistant Executive Engineer, Irrigation Department and is blessed with a daughter, Anupama, who is a PhD student of Civil Engineering at IIT Chennai. Professor Dr. G. Girish Verma has retired as Dean, College of Avian Sciences and Management, Thiruvarangunnu, Palakkad on 28th of May 2021. A resident of Thrissur, he belongs to 1978 BVSC batch Veterinary College, Mannuthi. He completed PG in Veterinary Physiology from IVRI Izadnagar. Joined as Junior Assistant Professor, Kalapaji College of Agriculture Engineering, Tavanur in 1989. Completed PhD from Roslin Institute, United Kingdom. He has more than 31 years of experience at the university and had served as Head Department of Veterinary Physiology, Implementing Officer and Head Center for Animal Adaptation to Environment and Climate Change Studies, Dean Faculty of Dairy Science and Dean Faculty of Poultry Science. He is married to Srimati Sujitra Verma, working in VHSC department, and he is blessed with a daughter, Gayatri Verma, and a son, Govind Verma. Dr. D. Sushama Kumari has retired as Additional Director from SLBP Headquarters, Thiruvananthapuram on 31st of May 2021. A resident of Kollam, she belongs to the 1982 BVSC and AH batch from Veterinary College, Mannuthi. She joined department as the Veterinary Surgeon in the Veterinary Dispensary, Shankarapuram, Kollam. She has 33 years of dedicated service in the department. She has been the former District Animal Husbandry Officer, Kollam, and served as the Nodal Officer of various department schemes. A role model for all the veterinarians in various aspects, being a sincere and compassionate officer. She is married to Dr. K.R. Jaipal, an Ayurvedic physician, and has been blessed with two daughters, Dr. Jayalakshmi with MBBS and Miss Sri Lakshmi, who has been an MBBS student. G.S. Madhu has retired from Haritha Keralam Mission as Idukki District Coordinator on 31st May 2021. Dr. G.S. Madhu was the Kudumbashree District Mission Coordinator in Idukki. Ksheerasagaram Project and Nature Fresh Project are the two feathers in his cap. He is a vet who practices what he preaches and is a role model in waste management and mixed farming. Dr. G.S. Madhu is a Janakiya doctor in Todupuzha. He is blessed with a daughter, Dr. Meera. Dr. Jayachandran B. has retired as the Additional Director Planning from the Directorate of Animal Husbandry on 31st of May 2021. A native of Trivandrum, he belongs to the 1982 batch of BVSc and AH from College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Mannuthi. He is married to Srimati Sindhu, who has been employed in Government Secretariat and has a daughter Devi Nandana, a house surgeon, and a son Devanandan. Dr. Jayachandran R. has retired as the Director from the Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biologicals Palodu on 31st May 2021. A resident of Thiruvananthapuram, he belongs to the 1983 batch of BVSc and AH from the College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Mannuthi. He entered government service in 1989 as veterinary surgeon in the veterinary dispensary Erumapetti, Thrissur. He was promoted as SVS Veterinary Hospital Adimali, Idukki in 1999 and has worked as SVD in VH Koithur Konam and Kazhakkottam and also as the Disease Investigation Officer CR Palod in 2015, State Epidemiologist ADCP in 2017, Joint Director in 2019, CDIO and Joint Director, Additional Director and as Registrar KSVC in December 2020. He has been promoted as the Senior Additional Director and also as Director, Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biologicals in 2021. He is married to Srimati Sandhya Raj, Executive Engineer, Kerala State Electricity Board, and is blessed with two sons, Jayashankar, BTech in CET Trivandrum, and Mithun Shankar, a +2 student. Dr. Jose John has retired as Veterinary Surgeon Takadi, Alappuzha on 31st of May 2021. He belongs to the 1982 batch of BVSc and AH from the Veterinary College, Mannuthi. He is a native of Shastamkota, Kollam. He is married to an electricity board employee and has two sons. The elder is an engineering student and the younger is a +2 student. Dr. Manjappa BG has retired as Assistant Project Officer from RASC Kanjangadu on 31st of May 2021. A native of Bangalore, he joined the service in 1993. He is married to Srimati Lata and has two daughters. The elder daughter is an assistant professor with MTech degree and the younger daughter is an assistant manager at Reliance Industrials Limited. Dr. Najib Khan has retired as Deputy Director from SLBP Thiruvananthapuram on 31st May 2021. A native of Attingal, he has entered the service in 1990 as veterinary surgeon at Mithirmala. He is married to Dr. Beena, Deputy Director Animal Husbandry, and has 3 children: Ayub Khan with LLB, Aslat Khan doing MBA in Australia, and Yasin Khan, an engineering student in Germany. Dr. Umman P. Raj has retired as District Animal Husbandry Officer of Pathanamthitta on 31st of March 2021. Residing at Kollam, he belongs to the 1983 batch of BVSc and AH from Veterinary College, Mannuthi. He joined the department as Veterinary Surgeon, Veterinary Dispensary, Karavur, Kollam during 1989. With 32 years of dedicated service in the department, he retired from the service as DIHO Pathanamthitta. He has served also as Deputy Director Pathanamthitta during the devastating flood in 2018 and has played a major role in serving the department and public during the havoc. His better half, Srimati Sheja Varghese, is a headmistress in the St. George VHSS, Chovvalur, Kollam. He has a daughter, Dr. Steny Raj, a granddaughter, baby Queen Mary Jinson, and a son, engineer Stephen Raj, doing MS in Australia. Dr. P.R. Pradeep Kumar has retired as Deputy Director AH from Wayanad on 31st May 2021. Residing at Peachy, Dr. Pradeep Kumar started his career in 1988 at ERC MPU Angamali and joined Animal Husbandry Department in the same year at Thaikad GVR. He did his MVSc in Preventive Medicine and has practiced in veterinary dispensaries at Tirur, Thrissur, DRDA, then at Elanad, Natika, Chandrapinni, DVC at Changaramkulam, DVC Thrissur, Veterinary Hospital Mepadi, DVC Kalpetta, and as Deputy Director at PGT and then at Wayanad. His better half is working as HSST in Wayanad and he is blessed with 2 sons. Dr. Santosh Kumar PK has retired as District Animal Husbandry Officer, Ernakulam, on 31st May 2021. He started service in 1989 at Veterinary Dispensary, Kulashekharapuram, Kollam, and then he worked at Kottayam District and Ernakulam District. He was promoted in 2000 as Assistant Director, Kafeed, Palakkad. Then he was transferred to MVH Ernakulam, DVC Ernakulam, and VH Vaikam. He was then promoted as Deputy Director and later transferred to DVC Pathanamthitta as CBO and then as JD and then as DIHO Alappuzha in 2020. He is married to Srimati Seena, Secretary, Janata Cooperative Bank, Amballur. Dr. Shivaneshan N has retired as Senior Veterinary Surgeon from Veterinary Polyclinic Parashala on 31st May 2021. A native of Kanyakumari district, he is married to Srimati Hemalata, Deputy Director, BSNL Nagarkovil Division. He is blessed with a daughter studying in MBBS 3rd year and has a son in +2. Dr. Sudhir Kumar PR has retired as Chief Veterinary Officer of Wayanad on 31st May 2021. He is residing in Wayanad and has joined the Animal Husbandry Department in 1991 at the Veterinary Dispensary Thariyod. He has worked in 18 various institutions of Wayanad, Idukki and Kozhikode districts. He is married to Srimati Reshma and is blessed with a son, Archit Sudhir, studying in BTech 4th Sem, and has daughters Niyati doing BA Honours in Delhi and Bhagyashri and Divyashri. Dr. T.P. Sedumadhavan has retired as Project Officer from ICDP Kozhikode on 31st May 2021. Residing in Thrissur, Dr. Sedumadhavan belongs to 1984 batch of BVSc and AH at College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Mannuthi. He has 31 years of service. He has MVSc in Veterinary Extension, MBA in Marketing Management, and is a research fellow at the University of Reading, UK in Information Systems. Dr. Sedumadhavan is one of the renowned farm journalists and educational and career consultants in India. He was the director of UL Education, ULCCS, in the Indian Institute of Infrastructure and Construction based at Kozhikode and Kollam. Formerly, he was the director of entrepreneurship, Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, being also the director, distance learning programs and head of publications in the university. Dr. Sethu Madhavan is a visiting scientist at Smithsonian Institution, Washington DC, University of Reading UK, Amrita University, and Indira Gandhi National Open University. He was the recipient of the Best Farm Journalist Award of Kerala State Karshaka Bharati, Best Veterinarian Award of Dr. G. Nirmalan Trust, B. Nandakumar Trust, and Rotary International Award. He received National Award of PTI for his journalistic activities. He is married to Dr. R. Radhika, Assistant Professor, Department of Parasitology, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Mannuthi, and has 2 children, Dr. Karthika, an MBBS graduate, and Kirtana, doing final year BTech. Dr. B. Shivanayak has retired as Joint Director from Rinderpest Eradication Scheme, Palakkad on 31st May 2021. A native of Manjeshwar and born to Sri Ramanaik and Srimati Lakshmi, he had high school education in Kannada medium in Perla, pre-degree from Government College Kasargod, and BVSc and IH degree from COVAS Mannuthi. He joined in Animal Husbandry Department in 1990 in Chimeni Panchayat and later occupied positions like APO, SVS, District Coordinator, CVO, DDAH, and Joint Director, Palakkad. He has total 31 years of service. He is married to Srimati Mamata, working in Postal Department, Mangalore, and has 2 sons, Shikit Naik, Mechanical Engineer, and Shishir Naik, medical student in the Government Medical College, Kottayam. Dr. Santosh Joseph has retired as Assistant Director from Calfweed Subsidy Program, Kottayam on 31st May 2021. A native of Kottayam, he joined as veterinary surgeon in 1990 in the Animal Husbandry Department, Kerala. He has a devoted service of 31 years in 5 districts, namely Kozhikode, Kannur, Kottayam, Idukki, and Alappuzha. His better half is Srimati Starlin Joseph, the Administrative Officer of LIC Kottayam. He has 2 daughters, the elder Miss Merin with BE from BITS Pilani, ME from University of Florida, and working with Qualcomm CA, USA. The younger daughter, Miss Sharon Liz, is an MBBS final year student at Government Medical College, Alappuzha.